Here you are today, YouTube. This is part one of this T-Mobile device. I'm just gonna press Control and V because I kind of highlighted the Imei from the notepad. So that's the Imei. We're just gonna show this video just to show people that we still got it. We still got the touch, in which, Swappa right now is going through issues where, they're, you see at the top part, they're trying to say paychecks only right there. So they're not going to show you the full results, but this is a T-Mobile iPhone 7, and this is March 3rd, 2019. So I'm going to swing over here to Imei check status because Swappa is trying to charge people money. So hopefully Swappa gets it back together. I'll just Control and V to paste it again, like using those shortcuts when you copy something. So Control V, and we're gonna hit submit. That's the same Imei. Zoom in a little bit to kind of show you. Click back on Swappa tab. 5646. 5646. I'm gonna type in these captchas real quickly. As you can see, the device is blocked when I work on T-Mobile network. This is part one, iPhone 7. Just to show that we still got it, because we've been doing this for decades, and getting the debts paid off. So this is part one. Tune in and subscribe. Thank you for watching.